Come test drive the 2025 Land Rover New Discovery Sport. With Land Rover at its heart, the new Discovery Sport is adept in challenging conditions. On pavement, gravel, sand, or snow, terrain response makes sure your drive is responsive, steady, and controlled. A host of stability systems enhance your traction, reducing engine torque by optimizing throttle and braking. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.